Hi everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Ultra Quiet CPU cooler by Zalman, which is the CNPS 10X Optima. Now I do have the CNPS 8X Optima. Very good cooler on the 8X Optima. I just say, you know what? I do buy Zalman products. Let me go ahead and buy this L cooler here for a build that is pretty ready to come up. Okay. On the box, it's pretty well spot on. It has your Intel and AMD compatibility. It has your shark fin blades, DTH, which is direct touch heat pipes, ultra quiet 120mm PWM fan, and dual fan support. So that means that this cooler supports dual fan if you want to add an extra fan on the back of it. Pretty well spot on, you know. It tells you right here on the side. It has your dimensions, which is 132 length, 85 width, and 152 height. 152 millimeters is your height, so it do fit in cases that supports up to 160 millimeters and plus. If your case is under 152 millimeters, then it will not fit in there. It supports all your Intel brackets, just like I said. Weight of it is 630 grams. Material is pure aluminum and pure copper. Bearing type FSB fuel ship bearing. Speed 1000 to 1700 RPM. So if your CPU heats up, the fan is going to go ahead and ramp up, and once it hits the 1700 RPM, you will be hearing the noise. So yes, this CPU cooler ranges from 1000 RPM to 1700 RPM. Fan noise level is 17.0 to 28 dBA. Control method is PWM control. Max airflow is 63.1 CFM. Now I cannot do a test of the CFM on the fan because I do not have the equipment to test it. But in the near future, I will go ahead on and get that equipment to go ahead and do the airspeed of the CFM airflow. The thermal grease that comes with it is the ZM-STG2M. Just like I said, it's compatible with all your Intel sockets, 11GA 2011 V3, which is version 3, 2011, 1366, 1156, 1155, 1151, 1150, and 775 CPUs. On the AMD side, it is AMD socket FM2, FM1, AM3 Plus, AM3, AM2 Plus, AM2 CPUs and APUs. Very well spot on. Got your just very well spot on presentational box. It tells you a little more about the shark fin blade designs, the DTH, which stands for direct touch heat pipe base, which is good. It has 4 heat pipes. So this powerful cooling by high optimized heat sinks design, a 120mm powerful PWM fan is included. All right, let's get into the unboxing. If you don't know what you're always doing, refer to your user manual. It will help you out and it will guide you through. Here is your hardware. It comes with 2 fan clips. So if you want to add an extra fan in the back of the CPU cooler, you could do so. You got your brackets, your mount bracket for from AMD as well as Intel. All right, the fan itself. Here is your nice, good quality fan, your PWM fan. And by me spinning, I can feel the airflow coming off of it now. I like that nice little smoke plastic that it gives to it. That's good smoke plastic feel. And everybody talks, I want to see the cooler. Here is the cooler. Nice, beautiful, and it is heavy. So yes, the heavier the CPU cooler, the better it will cool and keep your CPU cool on the thermal design level. Now it has 4 heat pipes. So it will cool up to 180 degrees thermal design power. So if we go over 180 degrees, if you have your CPU overclocked, for instance, and it's pushing 190 watts, then it might cool it. All depends on how much fan do you have in your system. But the weight of it, as well as the heat pipes, is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heat pipes gives you a cool wattage level of 180 degrees. If you have your system overclocked, it's best to go ahead and put a more heavier, more beefier CPU cooler on it, like 5 to 6 heat pipes for overclocked systems. But other than that, it's nice. You got your nice fan design right there for one, and you got the second one for two. So yes, you can add up to 2 case fans onto its 120 millimeter case fan design, so it's not an issue with that. Nice, good quality feel. The heat pass is really smooth and shaped down perfectly to perfection. You install your brackets for Intel and AMD on the side, and then you go ahead on with the hardware of the plating here, and then you just go ahead on with the build. Will I recommend this CPU cooler by Zalman? Yes, I will. I used Zalman products in the past, such as their cases, the CPU coolers, as well as their thermal paste. They do make good quality, great thermal paste, and there will not be an issue with that. I'll be putting all the link in the description below, from the website to where I brought it from. If you're interested in buying it, you can go ahead and purchase it. Or if you want any other product from Zalman, you can go ahead and purchase that as well too. I want to thank y'all for watching this quick unboxing of the CNPS 10X Optima by Zalman. Great cooler, great design. And when I'm done doing the build into it, I'm still waiting on the motherboard and everything. I go ahead and give y'all the CPU cooler test with my other CPU coolers, as well as this here. So y'all watch out for that video coming up. But I want to thank y'all for watching this quick unboxing of the CNPS 10X Optima. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.